Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table in Canva. So as you can see, we are in Canva and we've got our blank template in front of us. What you want to do is come over to the left-hand side and click on Elements. And then if you scroll down, you can see that you've got the option for a table here. And if you press See All, then you've got lots of different options as well. So I'm just going to click this one here. Okay, so brilliant. Our table is there. As you can see, if you hover over this corner here, you've got this plus sign appear. So if you give that a click, you've got the option to add another column. And then if you come down here, you've got this other one option. And then there you go, you've got that option to add another row. You can also highlight the column, right click, and then you can press add column, and then another column has appeared. You can drag the columns, so by hovering over the outer line, you can see that this double-ended arrow appears. So if you hold down your mouse, and as you can see, you can drag that and make it bigger or smaller, whichever you want to. You can also add text inside your table. So if you click in the cell that you want to add your text, and then you can write text and then tab across, then you're in the next one, text. And then if you wanted to change both of the text, if you wanted to change both of the colors, you can do. So if you highlight them both, and then you can come up to color here, and then you can change that to whatever you wanted. You can change the font as well. And because both of them are highlighted, they will both change at the same time for you. You can also change the outline color of the cell as well. So as you can see, we've got this first cell highlighted. If you come up to the top here where it says border, click on the border, and then you can change it to, let's say, black. And as you can see, we have changed that cell's border now to black. So you can do that on any one that you wanted to, if you were looking to create a certain pattern. There you go, nice and simple. And then if you wanted to delete the table, click it, press the little trash can up here, press delete, and then you've got the option to delete a column, a row, or a table. And there we go. That was how to add a table in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. We appreciate it so much. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.